At many events and venues, getting audio to remote PA speakers still means running hundreds of feet of cable. The RFPA extension kit eliminates long cable runs by delivering high-quality wireless audio distribution for delay speakers, overflow areas, and remote zones. It's a professional wireless link designed specifically for demanding live sound environments, allowing engineers to deploy speakers faster, more safely, and exactly where they're needed. RFPA uses analog FM transmission, the same proven technology trusted in professional wireless mics and in-ear monitor systems for decades. That means full-range audio with extremely low latency, making RFPA ideal when timing and phase alignment between playback zones are critical. Balanced, line-level XLR audio inputs and outputs integrate easily with professional consoles, DSP systems, and mixers. And every RFPA receiver includes adjustable delay, up to 800 milliseconds, allowing engineers to precisely time-align remote speakers with the main PA for a cohesive listening experience across the entire venue. The result is clean, consistent audio playback, even in locations where running cable is difficult, expensive, or simply impossible. The RFPA rack transmitter sends stereo or dual mono audio wirelessly to an unlimited number of receivers, allowing you to expand coverage to multiple zones across a venue. And for extended coverage, RFPA works seamlessly with remote antennas like the RF Venue CP Beam, allowing you to optimize RF performance for large or complicated environments. The system operates in a dedicated RF band designed for professional wireless audio, helping avoid the congestion and dropouts often associated with Wi-Fi-based solutions. Whether you're covering a festival field, a house of worship, or a large venue, the RFPA extension kit makes it easy to get audio exactly where it needs to go. For more information, visit rfvenue.com.